You're getting into really the point of the value of a twin over the value of the model, right? Because the value of the model is that idealized answer the question, but the twin is that specific answer the question.
And going back to the engineering assumption thing, now's my chance to throw the assumptions away, right? I've got the perfect model, but I don't live in perfection, right? So now I can take that perfect model, revise it, and use, like I said, update the model to include the new landing gear. I got some new CAD, I've got some new system characteristics, whatever it might be. But also, how is that aircraft being flown? Because now I have access to more data. Give me all that sensor data.
Start to replace those assumptions with real information.
Right. So whatever those assumptions are, hey, this is the actual profile that this aircraft tends to fly. And it's a little easy. It's not commercial aircraft. It is easier to think about it in military aircraft. So forgive me, viewers, right? But the idea, right, as I fly it 36 hours from here to the other side of the world, based on the recent news, right, or what have you, or I'm always flying this mission profile. I'm always in Antarctica or Alaska, that's more real, or I'm always in the desert. That drives, hey, the bearings wear out. This is my silly example I always give, right? The bearings are wearing out sooner whenever I fly in the desert, somewhat obviously, right? Lots of sand, it's a harsh environment. Well, maybe I have to change my maintenance procedures because of that. Because I'm seeing information. Now I can model that in that twin. I say, hey, what should the maintenance be? Go update your mean time between failure and logistics models that you use based on, we used to think we'd replace the bearings every 3 months. And I'm just throwing numbers out. But based on what we're seeing, because I have these models and I have the actual usage of the asset, I can now replace those assumptions like, we got to replace the bearings every month.